Fans, it's me, Damien. So in California right now, it's kind of windy. Oh look, it's two nerds. We have my broski, Nathan the clown, and we have Eli the short.
That's my fork.
Look at this dude. Look at that dude. Okay.
Okay.
And 3, 2, 1. Start the game.
Dude, I thought I was gonna go over.
Jesus. You get 6 points. No, he made it through here and it touched the wall.
No. Because the goal has to be inside this goal.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. Or else it doesn't count.
No, it has to go through this goal, but it has to touch that wall.
I'll allow it. Because that's how we play soccer at my school.
But it's not your school.
If it hits
It's your house.
and it has to,
Okay.
then it doesn't count.
Second round. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. If you hit me with that ball, I will hurt you with the knife. Oh, no. Hurt me and I hit you with the knife.
You're going to hit him with a knife?
Yes.
You're going to stab him? Ah! Oh, but I was inside.
Yeah, that's true. I had to go through here. Oh, he's making a comeback.
Oh.
And it touched the wall. 6 points for the Nathan Broski.
It's still inside.
It's still inside. Look.
Like it's in here, like.
See? It's still inside the goal.
Yeah. So it counts for us.
Oh, okay. No, it doesn't count for the E's. It counts for the N's.
5.
No, he has 6.
We're at tie.
No, you have a 5. He has a 6.
Okay, I just need one more gun. Catch up. Alright, let's go.
Oh, they're making a comeback. He's making a comeback. And he goes.
I was gonna say, it bounced off the rock.
No, but the rock's on the wall, so it
No,
still
but I have
counts.
to touch the actual ball. It bounced off of this way.
I know, but you know how the ball's big?
Yeah.
It still touched the wall by an inch.
But it's still outside. It has to like still stay in the goal. It can't bounce out. It has to like all of it. Ow!
I'm like getting splinters crazy.
I don't know. I kind of feel like this. Yeah, like see, you get splinters from this one.
Hey, one nose thing? Look at that nose. Ooh.
Oh, so close.
Ooh. You got a 7. He still has a 5.
Stop being mean.
You still have a 5.
Stop being mean. Like, Nathan's better than me.
Come on. That's how goals.
Are you ready?
Guys, to let you know, I'm being honest. I have no idea what I'm doing anymore. Jesus, it almost hit me by an inch.
You know what's crazy? There's this highlighter in my school and I smell like Play-Doh.
Boy.
It's because you're hitting it with this. When you're hitting it, you're curving it, but it's going like that.
You have to hit it like that on the side of your foot.
When you're passing it.
Oh!
Sorry.
That was freaking on purpose.
No, it wasn't on purpose. He meant to hit it over there.
I was trying to pass it like that.
Yeah, he's trying to go over there. It wasn't on purpose.
Hey, come on. I get hit enough in the leg by a kid.
Okay, but it wasn't on purpose.
Then just move somewhere else. So you know that you didn't get hit.
Bruh!
Dude, I hate
Okay,
this.
the leg.
I'm back playing. I'm leaving.
Let me see. Bring it.
I don't leave soccer.
No, look.
I do it.
Like soccer? I know how to shoot it. I just think like that. You're gonna learn.
Yes, that's true. You're hitting it with the tip of your foot. You have to hit it on the side of your foot.
That's a fuck.
Oh! Let's not hit this wall.
It jumped.
Go outside.
Yeah.
I'm going.
No, you let. Come on. Go outside.
If that dog jumps over and it bites you, I'm sorry, dude.
It's gonna attack you. That's like I want to go.
Yes, we have to go.
What kind of dog is it?
Yeah. It's a big dog.
That's a German Shepherd.
No, it's not a German Shepherd. German Shepherds are different. That one's
I got it.
Oh no, there's a dog.
54 a box.
I got it.
Yeah, it's a boxer.
Are they coming for
Jesus. That dog scared us.
We're gonna stay inside. There's a dog
Cause
the next door, and we're playing soccer, and it goes like that, like over the wall. That's super scary.
yes, that's. I should have caught it on camera, but
And you go tell everybody our life story. Guys, we're not gonna play outside anymore.
cause there's a dog. There's a boxer that tried to attack us.
Yeah, I tried jumping over.
Oh,
What?
the heck?
Yeah. No, it tried jumping over.
Oh, when it hurt you guys?
Yeah.
Oh.
He kicked it at the wall, and
Oh,
it
it's
jumped
'cause
over and went
his
like
wall
that.
is
Hey, Grandpa.
taller,
That's
and then the wall, but then his ground is
But
higher.
their wall's higher.
Bad dog?
I don't know.
It barks.
It's always barking. And I was whining earlier.
It's not a bad dog though, because I've seen it. Anyway, don't trust it.
I know.
You know all you're supposed to do.
Go on this side over here,
Keep
but
on, keep on playing. Just don't throw it over there.
And I already accidentally kicked one over there.
Huh?
I already accidentally kicked one over there. We're gonna pass one to our mom.
Oh, weird.
Do you know us?
Wow. And I'm still recording. Hold on, let me see your nose.
Okay,
Let me
the
see.
three of you go over and knock and ask for the ball, please.
No,
Okay.
because they're not gonna hear us. Remember?
Well, no one doesn't hear because he's deaf.
I don't know, but the other ones. There's a bunch of people walking.
A bunch of people walking where?
Walking around. The last time we went. We went for Eli's.
when he goes in the back, he'll throw it.
Yeah, but the dog's gonna chew their ball. Remember how they threw us the balls from over there?
Yeah, I know. Which one was it? The new Eli's?
That was mine.
Oh.
It's still yours. Well, then use Eli's, but don't throw it over there.
I don't want to die.
Let's just go get the ball.
No, they're not gonna hear this. We already tried doing that with one of Eli's balls, so when it opened the door.
That's dumb. Want to play? So guys, that's the end of the video. Peace out. And sponsor Eli's channel, the Eli Kid. And sponsor Nathan the Broski. See ya. Bye.